Hello friends, in this video we are going to see gate problem from the topic pressure and its measurement. Let's start. As per the given question in GATE 2016, set 2, question 14 for 1 mark, assuming constant temperature, that is your isothermal condition, and air to be an ideal gas, that means we can write the equation PV equal to MRT, the ideal gas equation. The variation in atmospheric pressure with height calculated from fluid statics is linear, exponential, quadratic or cubic. So it is given that calculation from the fluid statics. So from hydrostatic we know that what is the hydrostatic law. I am going to write here. From hydrostatics, the rate of change of pressure in a vertically downward direction, let us say Z, must be equal to specific weight of the fluid at that point, that is W, and specific weight is your rho g. W is your rho g. So what is hydrostatic law? The rate of change of pressure dou P in a vertically downward direction, let us say Z. So Z is positive in downward direction and it will be negative in the upward direction. The rate of change of pressure in a vertically downward direction must be equal to a specific weight of the fluid at that point, and W is equal to rho g. And so we can write dou P by dou Z is equal to rho equal to P by RT into G. Rho is equal to P by RT into G from the equation PV equal to MRT, ideal gas equation. PV equal to MRT and P equal to mass by volume, that is your density, rho RT. So rho is equal to P by RT. From this equation we can write. Now for integration we can take dou P by P at one side equal to minus J by RT will take, and minus G by RT, and dou Z will come to this side. So because we are measuring Z in the, if Z measures in vertically upward direction, so negative. Z measures in vertically upward direction. So integrating dou P from P naught, that is sea level pressure, P naught to P, dou P by P equal to constant minus G by RT integration Z naught to Z, sea level to altitude Z, integration dou Z. So from this we are getting log. After putting the limits, it will be P by P naught equal to minus G by RT Z minus Z naught after putting the limits. So the value of P by P naught will be equal to e to the power of minus G by RT into Z minus Z naught. The whole right hand side term will go to the power of e, that is exponential minus G by RT Z minus Z naught. So the answer is your B. The variation of atmospheric pressure with height is your exponential. So answer is B. Correct. Okay. So we have used the ideal gas equation and the equation from the hydrostatic, and using this we have done this derivation to prove how the variation of pressure varies with height is your exponential. Okay. Thank you.